और अब आपको लेकर चलते हैं इंडियन चैम्बर ऑफ कॉमर्स की स्टेट काउंसिल की स्थापना दिवस, और इसमें डिप्टी सीएम दिया कुमारी मौजूद हैं। स्टेट काउंसिल का स्थापना दिवस समारोह है जिसमें वो शिरकत कर रही हैं। आईटीसी राजपूताना के अंदर ये स्थापना दिवस समारोह चल रहा है। चैम्बर ऑफ कॉमर्स की स्टेट काउंसिल के पदाधिकारी इस दौरान मौजूद हैं।
We have a chapter in Qatar, in Saudi, in the UK, and of course all throughout India. So please use our strength, please use our network. We have high quality people who come speak at our events. We have high quality networks. Today, I mean, people write to us saying we know a lot of business. Like recently, last week, our chief representative of Iraq, she's an Iraqi lady, wrote to us saying there are 10 things that we want to buy from India. Can you help? And that's what ICC can do for you. So please become members, get involved. I'd also request the state government that we work very closely with several state governments. Actually, in fact, a couple of weeks back, hosted the Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister. A couple of months back, hosted the Bihar Tourism and Industry Minister. If anyone's coming to any of our offices, we are welcome to host. When some of our international delegations come, we'd love to bring them to Rajasthan. We'd love to do more. Very well, ma'am. Giving a lot of things. I mean, it's easy for me to say all this because in 12 days, I'm handing over to my successor. So I'm making a very large roadmap, whereas Gandhiji said, giving a blank check to my successor to do whatever can be done. But of course, Abhyuday, who is my successor, the MD of Jindal Stainless, will be a great president. He has a strong commitment to the state. And I believe that along with Jayashree ji and the entire executive committee and the dynamic state government with Diya Kumari ji leading as the Deputy Chief Minister, we can do a lot together. Thank you again. Dhanyavad. Aap sab aaye. I would say welcome to the ICC family, and we really, and again, this is a very, very momentous day for us. So thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Prabhu, for your power-packed speech. It was truly inclusive and all-encompassing. May I now request our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister of Rajasthan, Ms. Diya Kumari ji, Chief Guest for today's evening, to share her deliberation with us.
Namaskar. Good evening. I'm extremely honored to be actually at this program and amongst all of you on this very, I would say, not just momentous, but a historic occasion. Because soon after, like you're going to be having your 100-year celebration next year, I'm sure after a few years, Rajasthan will also be celebrating 25 years and then 50 years and 100 years. So we will remember this day. We will remember the day it all started. So many, many congratulations. And of course, our very own Jayashree Periwal ji, who is the chairperson now of the Rajasthan chapter. Great to have you there. I've known her very, very closely. Incredible lady, we all know. She's done incredible work, whether it is education, whether it is business, or just facilitating things. So many, many congratulations to you, Jayashree. Our Ameya Prabhuji, who is the president of ICC, Shri Rajiv Singh ji, Shri Jaykishore Jaju ji, Shri Dev Manya Banerjee ji, and all members of ICC. And of course, it's wonderful to be here and be at the inaugural evening of the Indian Chamber of Commerce, the Rajasthan chapter. I'd like to congratulate all of you and thank all of you to have actually started this in Rajasthan. And it's even more wonderful that it's starting this year, because as all of you know, under the able leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister Shri Bhajanlal Sharma ji, we are soon going to be having the Rising Rajasthan Summit in Rajasthan. So I think it couldn't have come at a better time. The timing is so important, and I'm so happy that all of you have decided to open your chapter in Rajasthan, finally. I think, as we all know, Rajasthan is at a cusp, and we are changing so fast, so rapidly. Of course, like everyone said before me, that Rajasthan is known for its tourism, for its history, for its jewelry industry, for its handicrafts, for so many things, for its valor, but it's never really been known for being a business destination and where there are a lot of industry or many opportunities for industries to flourish. But we want to change that. And like you all know, that this government is intent, and the intention is very, very honest. We really want to do business. We want to be facilitators for doing business, for opening the doors, opening up Rajasthan, the ease of doing business, for giving opportunities, for giving many more jobs. And I know that it's not the government which can do all that. It has to be you people. It has to come from all of you. And we want to join hands with all of you, and we want to make Rajasthan one of the topmost destinations for industry to come and put up the industries here, to do manufacturing here, to make this really a hub of industrialization. The opportunities are immense. As we all know, we have our natural resources, we have mining, we have all our the renewable energy has a lot of potential here in Rajasthan. Tourism is also a huge opportunity. We haven't explored all of this yet. It's not that many states are there which also have equal opportunities, but Rajasthan is not being explored. So here is your opportunity to come to our state. And now, I think, make history, make things happen, make magic happen. I think it's all of you who can do that. You're all Rajasthanis. And I think once you're a Rajasthani, you're always a Rajasthan. Rajasthan has been a place where we've had the biggest industry houses come out of Rajasthan. And they've gone all over the world. They made us proud. But now we want all of that to come back into Rajasthan. So please connect to whoever you can, and please, talk to them, and I think we all need to make that little bit of an extra effort to ask them to come back into our state. I think it's time we come back to our roots, to contribute to in Rajasthan, the development of Rajasthan. Of course, we want to make Rajasthan a $350 billion economy in the next 5 years, promising jobs, at least 5 lakh jobs. The 5 lakh jobs will have to also come from the private sector. Of course, the government is going to be doing its best to do that. But we would like your help and contribution in that. So I'd like to, of course, talk to all of you, appeal to all of you that please come back to Rajasthan, please set up your industry